Oo, this is you talaga. Kaya yung sinabi nyo nga na you're the science section and all, ito to. Hindi yung before na. Thank you talaga. Okay, so you need your letters na ano, kasi we will print it out na. Okay? Then, hopefully, I'll see you very soon. Yes.
Ano ba score namin?
Talaga yung ginawa niyo kasi dati. Anyway, ito. These are your scores. These are real ones. And then, talaga kanda, okay. Very good. Okay? Sige. Just wait for it lang, ha?
Thank you po.
Yay!
Aray!
Anong feeling na malapit ka mabatukan kanina?
Shocking, but real.
Okay.
My heart, it beats for only you.
Ikaw, masasabi mo, pre?
Asya.
What's your going to say?
No comment.
Ikaw po.
Huwag kang maghinta ko sa pagbaba ng hagdanan.
Ikaw, Negi.
I'm so happy today.
Actually, I'm very happy, but, you know, kasi mas malapit talaga na po siya.